Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, Jay Hendy here with another new video. Before I get started in this video, I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded on here, and I'm just going to start off by saying things have been really hectic in my life lately, and I just have not made any time to upload on here. I know, I'm not gonna lie, that makes me sad because I love YouTube more than anything. I love creating content for you guys on here. I love that more than anything in the world. And yeah, but anyway, you're probably wondering why I am dressed in all black, why I look all creepy. That is because this is a Halloween themed video, and I'm going to be showing you guys my DIY Gothic bride costume. These are just pretty much things that I had in my house that I just like put all together, and I also got some accessories online as well. So I have two different versions. One is just like a simple look, and then the other is just like me kind of going all out in a way. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, other than that, I'm gonna stop talking here and let's just get right into the video. So for the first look, I'm going to be putting on a matte lipstick by NYX in the color Dark Era. For this look, this is just a simple look that I did. I'm wearing a lace dress with elbow-length sleeves that I had in my closet. For my accessories, I'm wearing a black tiara on my head. It looks really tiny, and I'm also wearing a skull necklace. This is just a simple look, and you can throw a few things together and you don't really have to put too much time or effort into it. It's just like boom, you have it, and there it is. For the second look, I'm putting on a Color Bomb lipstick by Baby Lips in the color Sassy Scarlet, And I'm also blotting it because it just looks better that way to me, in my opinion. For my outfit, I'm wearing another dress that I had in my closet, and it has detailing on the top, which I love. For my accessories, I'm wearing a choker that I got online, which looked really cool. I'm also wearing some black lace gloves that I got from Amazon, and a veil that I got from Forever 21. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my favorite look, and I'm really happy with how it came out. This is also giving me like Marilyn Monroe, but with an edgier vibe, and I just love that a lot. And yeah, I'm just really proud with how it came out, and I really had gone all out with this look, and I just love it a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. There are also other things like I could have done. One of them was having fake flowers. I should have included them in the video, but when I was filming that day, I was kind of in a time crunch. But yeah, these are the fake flowers I would have shown. So I have these roses here that are from Amazon, and they kind of remind me of NXT wrestler Gigi Dolan. She always walks out to the ring with like a black rose, and I just thought that looked really cool. And here I have these red flowers that I got from my best friend my junior year of high school. She gave them to me as a birthday present, and I've just had these ever since. I would have included them in the video, but like I said, when I was filming that day, I was in a bit of a time crunch, and I did not have any time to find the fake flowers. So yeah, and also another idea that I thought of, you can also like cover yourself up with temporary tattoos. That's just like another idea that I thought of. Or covering yourself up in fake blood, which I thought is like super cool. And also for like your makeup or whatever, I just simply did like lipstick here and like tattoo stamps on my eyes. I don't know if you can tell. That's just like a simple thing that I did. And yeah, there were like so many ideas that I could have like thrown into this video, but like I was in a time crunch when I was filming this, and I feel really bad, but you know what, at least I got it up here, and you know, I'm really happy that I got to share with you guys my DIY Gothic bride costume and just how it came out. And I'm really happy with how both of those looks had come out. So yeah, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I'm really sorry that I have not uploaded in a very long time. Things have just been really hectic in my life, and like I said before, I love YouTube. I love creating content more than anything in my life, and no matter how hectic things get, I'll always try to make time to create content for you guys because that is what I love to do. And yeah, and this is what makes me happy. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Peace!